Good morning, Walker Wolves. Since we did not have school on Friday and did not have, we're not able to have a assembly, we are going to start doing Walker weekly videos on the weeks that we don't have assemblies. So we are going to start out with our outstandings and the people that won outstandings. So if I call your name, I will be calling you down in the next couple days to spin, and we'll spin the wheel, and you'll get your prize. So the first one we have is Henry from Miss Olson's class, Ronnie from Miss Whalen's class, Natalie D from Miss Marshall's class, Ronye from Miss Carter's class, Ignacio from Miss Joy's class, and Julian from Miss Whalen's class. Congratulations, guys. Good job getting an outstanding. Our focus for next week, if you want to try and get an outstanding for next week, our focus is to walk quietly in the halls. We've been seeing a lot of loud, like shouting and running when we're coming in from recess, both lunch recess and afternoon recess. So we want to make sure when we're coming in from recess that we are in line and we are staying with our class and we are walking quietly through the halls. So your teachers are going to be watching for those of you that are doing that, and they'll hopefully give you an outstanding if you're doing that. Okay? Have a great week, Walker Wolves.